Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the 7 days English speaking challenge. Today I will read you 20 daily English sentences that you can use in real life. These are very simple and perfect for beginners. Okay, then repeat after me what I am saying. I wake up early today. I am feeling good. I am getting ready. I am going to school or college work. I am learning English. I want to improve my every day. I am doing my best. I am not giving up. Please help me. Please give me a minute. I understand. I don't understand. Say it again, please. What are you doing? I am busy right now. I will call you later. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy today. Thank you so much. This 20 sentence will help you speak English easily in daily life. Today homework is pick any 10 sentences from this list and speak them loudly 3 times. Let's keep going. Daily practice task. Record a short video speaking 10 sentences. Practice while walking or doing your daily work. Keep repeating until your pronunciation become smooth. Okay?